Welcome to an Easypromo3D tutorial on how to use the Sample Manager embed code to put into a website. Now this example here is a Magento website, as you can see, and I've embedded two virtual samples on the front page. Obviously each website may be different, but really I just wanted to show you the concept of how this works. So if we briefly just went back to the Sample Manager, and you'll all be familiar for that if you've watched the tutorials before, and you can see by going over to our settings here we can decide the properties of our virtual sample. So in this case we've got a design swap, no, it's at social link, so that's okay, and we will then click on one of our key rings which provides us with a link. Now that link could obviously be called from a button, or in this case let's go and look on here. So we've got an acrylic keyring, so we've written a little plugin for the Magento so that when you go on here, and let's scroll down the page, and we will click on images. So it says here I can put in an image, so I'll just paste my new image into that box, replacing the old one as such, and then I'm able to save that image. So what I've done in this case is I've taken my URL link from my Sample Manager and I've added it to a field in my website database. Now in this case, if we then go on here and if we look at personalized key rings, we'll see there we've got a picture of a keyring, and if we click on that picture, when this page opens here, you'll see that the personalized keyring is displayed on that page as such. So we've embedded an iframe. So we've just written a little bit of code here that when you put that link on there, it automatically puts it on the page on the website. Quite a simple thing to do, and for those of you wanting to use Magento, we would be able to provide that code to yourselves. But most good web developers should be able to write something similar to enable that to go straight onto your website. Alternatively, we could have put a button down here that says click to view 3D, which could have put up a single iframe on the page. So that's one approach. The other approach, if we go back to our Sample Manager, and this time we say we want to embed on a page, we click on there and we take, it's written some code to put an iframe. Now if I take that code and copy it and then go on to a new page for our website, most of the time you'll end up with a page like this which allows you to paste in the iframe. So we'll give it a header and we'll call it demo page, and we will save that page. So now if we go back to our website, which we created earlier, and we were to type in here demo, oops, it was demos. Here's one I created earlier. That creates a demo page, a blank page, and embeds the iframe straight on the page. So obviously every website software is slightly different, but most of them have a CMS or contact management system, and that's how I've used both a link and an iframe to add Easypromo3D functionality to a website. For more details, please refer to the website, as we've got plenty of technical help there, or raise a support ticket and we'd be glad to help you. That's easypromo.co.uk or .com/support.